click here. So this, open this home page, and now the section is, this image section is going to down in interactive banner box, banner to banner. This you can edit here, and after edit, you see current, that you can change that current listing. This is title, you can change from here. Click and update here. You can also change the URL here. Click and put here and set. Okay, now then save. Then same as banner 2, banner 3, yeah, this click here, now save. Okay, so this, click change, this change here. Okay, now you can change if the current listing title, you click in text block. This is the interactive banner block, banner, and this is text block. You can change this, open this and click here to text, then you can change the listing title. Okay, so now then update here, this is the, this section, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, thank you very much.